All right, let me break it down for you step by step. And as we go along, analyze the Sol floor, or maybe a floor that's, as you can see, sort of floating in the air. Yeah, that's the idea. And the particular thing I'm looking at is the T cursor. Now, you should know, just for the record, that the T cursor actually dropped down to a value of 95 over there in what we refer to as the Anse-à-Douai zone. Some people just call that the engine or the core region, but it's basically a technical area where the T cursor fell all the way down to 95. However, and this is a big but, the boulon, which by the way you can translate as the bolt or the fastening element, but we just keep calling it the boulon, is not finished yet. It's still open, it's still pending, and that means we have to keep watching it. Now, let me tell you what I think is going to happen, what I personally believe the boulon is going to do, where it's going to end up. The answer is actually pretty simple if you think about it in the right way. First, we take the fiber. Yeah, the fiber that we're constantly monitoring, because that fiber is like a guide or a trail that shows us the exact path. And once we have that fiber in hand, we know, without a doubt, exactly where the boulon is going to move next. It's like having a GPS for a piece of metal. After we have that, and in this very video, I'll explain when the right moment to get in will